Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Roy and today I am here to present you the Instagram performance dashboard for Sugar Cosmetics. This dashboard brings together a full layer of Instagram performance data, enriched with custom measures such as engagement rate, total interactions, weekday patterns, and post type analysis. My aim with this project was to understand what drives reach, engagement, and conversions for Sugar Cosmetics and turn that into actionable marketing insights. So now let us take a look at the dashboard. At the top, we can see I have used few KPIs starting with the total posts. Here we can see there are almost total posts of 50,000. This states that the Sugar Cosmetics follows a high volume posting strategy designed to stay continuously visible in the beauty space. Next we can see the total interactions. This includes total likes, comments, shares and saves. This represents the complete engagement footprint of the brand. This KPI tells us how many total actions users actually performed, not just how many times they saw a post. Sugar Cosmetics achieve extremely high interactions related to post volume, showing that the audience responds strongly to their content mix. Next we can see the total likes, that is around 148 million. Next we can see the total comments, that is around 18 million. Next we have the total reach, that is around 987 million. This KPI indicates exceptional audience involvement and strong visibility driven by the influencers and seasonal campaigns. Next we can see the average engagement rate, that is around 18.58%. This is the industry benchmark, that is around 3 to 6%, reflecting strong creative relevance and brand loyalty. Next we can see the top post type by likes, that is the stories. Stories deliver the most immediate interactions due to their real-time casual nature. Next we can see the best day to post, that is Wednesday. The engagement peaks midweek at 18.63%. Next we have the monthly posting trend, that is the content consistency. We can see that the Sugar Cosmetics consistently publishes around 4,000 plus posts monthly, peaking around the month of May. This rhythm supports strong algorithm visibility, high recall, stable engagement across the months. We can also see a minor dip between the month of February to April. Next we have the top 10 posts by likes. Here we can understand what actually performs well in the Instagram and also the patterns across the best performing content. Here we can also see the heavy use of hashtags like the cruelty free, Sugar Cosmetics, makeup goals, etc. Using this visual, we can understand there is a heavy use of these hashtags in the form of reels and stories, which basically dominates the Instagram. Next we can also understand that the influencer based post excels using these hashtags. The trend driven visuals and audios also uses these hashtags, which gains the likes using these hashtags. Next we can see and understand that the ethical beauty resonates strongly, that is up to 22,000 likes. This reveals a performance formula combining aesthetics, authenticity and trends. Next we have the top 10 posts by engagement rate, that is the deep interaction insights. The engagement rate exceeds 34% on top posts. These posts usually are short reels and stories. They also use trending audios, encourage comments and saves. This sparks the emotional and identity driven responses. So what we can understand from here is the high engagement rate does not require the highest likes. Deeper actions require more. Next we have the average engagement by post type. Here we can see stories, reels, image and video type. Here we can see the highest likes and strongest reactions are in the stories section. Next we have the reel section. This is the most balanced engagement, that is the combination of likes, comments and saves. Next we have the images. It has a good reach but fewer saves and comments. Last we have the videos. It has strong but slightly below reels engagement. So from here we can understand that the reels plus stories are the engagement engines. This aligns with Instagram's push towards short form videos. Next we have the weekly engagement pattern. Here we can understand that the engagement stays steady between the percentage of 18 to 18.6%. But peak day, that is the Wednesday, we can see that is the best day for launches, influencer collabs, high value reels. Weekend dips slightly as users go offline. Next we have the Instagram engagement funnel. At the top we can see the massive funnel which shows the impression stage. Next we have the reach. Next we have the likes. Next we have the comments. Next we have the saves. Last we have the shares. This reflects the typical behavior of beauty brands, that is the wide reach, strong reactions, fewer deep conversations. So what we can understand from this dashboard are, so what are the business insights that we can get from this dashboard? First we can see that the reels and the stories drive the performance. That is the richest engagement comes from this format. Next we can see that the ethical beauty themes performs best. That is the cruelty free, vegan beauty posts create emotional and trust driven interactions. Next we can see the influencers collabs maximize reaches. Influencer reels consistently appears in the top posts. Next we can understand that the tutorial generates highest saves, a clear sign of content value and long-term usefulness. Next we can see the Wednesday are crucial. Optimal timing for impactful content. What are the suggested actions for the Instagram team? That is, increase the reel output by 30 to 50%. They are the strongest format across the metrics. Prioritize Wednesday for premium content. Schedule launches, campaigns, influencer promotions on that day. Expand ethical beauty messaging. High resonance plus high interactions. Create more tutorials and how-to content. Drive save long-term audience engagement. Maintain strong story influence frequency. Use stories for flash sales, behind the scenes, Q&A, time sensitive campaigns. So next we will talk about the data cleaning and preparation for the dashboard. In the data cleaning process, I've converted the post date to proper date type, added month, month year, day of the week and the month number. Here I have sorted the month year using the month number. I have removed any blank and ensured consistency. Next I have added few measures using the DAX formula like the total interactions, engagement rate, rank by likes, rank by engagement rate, average matrices per post type. Here I have used visuals and design decisions like the KPI cards, line chart, bar chart and funnels. Thank you for reviewing my project. This dashboard demonstrates how data-driven insights can shape marketing strategy for a fast-growing beauty brand like Sugar Cosmetics.